I hope you enjoyed my last video on 108 golden rules, and I hope you are following the same while trading. Now I am coming with the facts in the stock market that why 97% of traders make losses in stock market. Unfortunately, it is true that 97% majority of the people suffer losses in stock market and only a few people make money. Let's see a small human psychology as a general example which happens for every trader in its initial stage. Everyone who is working professional have always had a wish to make more money apart from what he was getting as a salary, and that is normal human psychology. Everyone wants to make some money as extra money. Everyone are attracted by their colleagues, neighbors, friends, relatives, etc. for making some handsome money in trading and investing. It looks so good, and even you want to make some profit money. Think that you opened an account with some corporate broker or discounted brokers, etc. and deposited some money with brokers and started trading. Initially, started trading with equity cash for getting knowledge of how to buy and sell. No technical knowledge and no fundamental knowledge regarding stocks. We started taking recommendations from brokers and from friends. Things were going good. One day getting profit of 1000, another day 2000 rupees. It's all okay. Feeling inner happiness as a great success in stock market. Suddenly your colleague suggested you to trade in futures and options as the returns there are more. Again with no knowledge, jumped in future segment. Day 1, 6,000 profit. Day 2, 7,000 profit. Day 3, 10,000 profit. Day 4, 5,000 profit. Day 5, 5,000 profit. Oh my God, this is so easy. Such a easy money. I can become a millionaire within just 2 to 3 months. The trader thinks stock trading is so easy and anyone make money out of it. After making profits in a week, which is even more than your whole month's salary. So many thoughts in your mind, buying a house, buying a car and making the most of it. It makes you feel like you already become rich and you are in trance that you have found a gold digging machine like in stock market. This made your brain imbalancing and make no quality thinking and make the wrong decisions with the wrong steps. Next week, what happened? I'll tell. Day 1, 6,500 loss. Oh, sometimes it happens. You think. Day 2, 19,000 loss. The same position gave him 19,000 loss. Day 3, 35,000 loss. Getting tens the holding position. Day 4, 39,000 loss. More 10. Day 5, 54,000 loss. Still holding the same position and portfolio in red by 54,000. And invested huge money in one particular stock and the same fell heavily and you are caught in the particular stock. Even you cannot exit from the stock as your mind cannot accept or think such a big loss to get out from the particular stock. Here in the stock market, there is one context is there. It's only context. As I am here hearing from this context from last 30 years in market. 97% of freshers who start trading or investing in stock market, they will get profit as startup trade. But this is called a beginner's luck. Yes, this is beginner's luck only. Almost 97% people will get beginner's luck profit when they start first beginning trade or investing in stock market. Here, market has given gift to them. There is no effort in getting profit from market. No technical, no fundamentals, etc. Here, he has to think the profit which he gained in the beginning of his trading or investing is a luck or fluke profit. Here, he lost his money and his bank savings became nil. Has to pay stock market losses. That you have to accept in reality and you have to get realization, and he has to question himself as where is the stop loss? Where is the risk management? On what basis the trade was taken? Last weekend you were dreaming about being a millionaire. This weekend you are thinking to save your capital, at least getting out at cost to cost. Within a month, your trading account blown by 2 lakhs in 3 to 4 trades in a month. made you so disappointed and all your dreams shattered and sleepless nights. You just lost the amount which is almost your 6 months salary. In this case, you lost your discipline and your patience in making money. You have to realize that you cannot make money in stock market within 1 to 2 months. It must be hard work of many years with stock analysis. You don't give up as you got lost. Anyhow, you wanted to recover your losses and wanted to learn as badly as you have to think slowly, keeping your losses aside and think what is technical analysis and what is fundamental analysis, etc. etc. What is market? On what basis the previous trades done by me? What is stop loss? What is your risk management? What made your money to lose? Stock market is not everybody's cup of tea. It's like a battlefield. If you go without preparation, you are going to lose. You need to make a strategy how you will face it, and if things go against in your favor, how you have to tackle and come to of that issue. In reality of the market, it's a mind game. It's a lot of emotions where somebody losing the money to make somebody's gaining or to make somebody's earning their losses. The market is human driven and human contain a lot of emotions. Emotions can be any type of such as fear, greed and hope, etc. These emotions stop human to take an unbiased decision resulting in impatient behavior. Traders don't think and never accept that they are in 97% losing zone. They think they are among the 3% winning people and their mind never accepts that they are losers. Greed makes them more and more money. Most of the traders don't follow proper trading guidelines and that's why they fall in 97% losing zone. They are influenced by emotion and greed, and that's where I have also done video on this topic as market sentiment. Please find the below link in this description box. When you are a trader, you have to keep these things in mind and accept your limitation as what is your risk. If any trade goes wrong, accept in reality and book with a minor loss. Common people never want to sell in loss. This is the biggest drawback and downfall of the small traders. When they realize this, they already have lost a huge capital and these traders only tell you negative stories about stock market. Most of the traders only think of the best cases when they are making consistent profit. They never think of the worst cases as things won't work according to them. And believe me, as my word, if you are doing trading in stock market without preparation, you definitely will lose market. That is pakka. Preparation here does not mean listening of all popular channels or listening to some analysis. Technical analysis needs to be done by the trader himself. Then you will succeed in market. When you are getting continuous losses, you take a temporary break from market for 3 months or 6 months, and you have to learn the trading strategies and make you perfect. You have to design your own trading strategy pattern and you can work on it. After 6 months, you can come back with a small capital and trade with small quantities with your own trading strategy and can recover your lost money with patience, discipline and with good right strategy. This is how 97% traders lose money in their initial stage. Now, let's come to the bottom line of this video and I hope you will follow these points without fail along with those 108 golden rules and make yourself be in 3% winning zone. Point number 1, intraday trading. You do not do intraday trading. Intraday is a big game plan strategy. It requires a sound understanding of the market and quick decision making ability. It requires expertise. You are not competent to do intraday trading unless you know technical analysis or charting or trading strategies. Point number 2, greed. Don't be greedy in stock market. Greed has no place in stock market. Greedy people try to maximize their profits despite the situation and trend. Point number 3, research. You do research before investing in stock market. You have to spend more time in researching about companies. You have to do your own technical analysis and apply your own strategies to get success. Point number 4, patience. You be patient, don't be impatient if your stock fails to perform in short term. Don't jump on to buy another stock which consider worth buying at that time. Be patient on your particular stock. Point number 5, don't do averaging for a stock you bought which is falling. You never keep adding to the lost position in a stock because their movement is driven less by demand and supply and majorly by political and economical policies which can keep the trend same for long years. Point number 6, trading versus investing. Majority of losers are intraday traders. That is, intraday trading or day traders. Trading is a bit difficult as there are many reasons that influences stock prices. Investing is an art in itself which works on reason. Few advices from my side to traders and beginners in stock market. 1. Always keep patience and discipline in your trading approach. Do not run behind money. Run behind a right strategy. Risk management according to your capital is most important factor. Do not ignore stop loss. Respect your stop loss. Losses are part of trading game. Do not leave the market based on losses. Instead of leaving, improve your trading strategy. Trading and investing requires more patience and discipline to be successful as a trader or investor in stock market. The sooner you start accepting of your limitation and do proper analysis, this will start to move you in that 3% area who actually make profit. Traders or investors can make money in stock market, those who are having a positive approach in market. Hope this video make you emotionless and you make more win-win trades rather than on losses. Happy trading. Stay tuned with us for more videos like this and don't forget to subscribe our channel. A cockpit, a bundles of knowledge.